Hello everyone. Once again I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, that is Be Scholar in Studies. So as you all know that I have started a new series of entrepreneurship CBSE class 12, and I have started chapter 1. I am continuing with the another topic, that is PESTEL model. So here in the last class, I have already explained you about business environment. There are basically two components which collectively make the complete business environment. The first is micro and second is macro. There are certain points, there are certain elements in micro environment such as suppliers, customers, intermediaries, competitors and general public. Whereas in macro environment, there are certain elements like political, economic, social, technological, ecological, and legal environment. They all, when they are combined together, they make the complete business environment. The macro environment elements, they are also called in short abbreviation PESTEL model. And the today's topic is PESTEL model itself. Here I am going to explain that what is PESTEL model. The detail, the points of this abbreviation we have already discussed. So now one by one I will be explaining the point. See, for an entrepreneur and organization, it's very much important to understand the business environment. When we talk about micro environment, so micro means narrow. All those elements which are directly connected with the organization, they all come under micro environment, such as suppliers, they are the vendors of raw material or other inputs, or customers who are the users of the commodity manufactured by the entrepreneur. So they all are the direct relationship. So all those elements which are in direct relationship with the company, they are in the control of the company, they all come in the micro environment. And which are all those elements which are beyond the control of an organization, they all come under macro environment. So pestel, in pestel model, the first alphabet is P, and P is for political. In any country, if we talk about our world, the era of globalization, in every nation there is a different sort of political situation. In some countries there is a bi-party system, in some countries there is a multi-party system, and the nature of the country is also different. Like in India, it is a mixed economy. Here political system, the political leaders are elected by us from the general public. The government is by the people for the people. So here in India, according to the political situation of any country, it is decided that the situation for the business uh, is favorable or not. It has to be checked by an entrepreneur. The second alphabet is E for economic. According to the economic situation of any country, it is decided by an organization or entrepreneur that it would be favorable sort of economic situation or not. Like which kind of, there is a business cycle. As in our as a human being, we have our life cycle. Same as with the economy, in economy there is a business cycle which start from the introduction, then there is sometime depression, then there is sometimes there is a situation of boom. So which kind of situation is there in the economy? Economic situation is favorable, it shouldn't be the time of the depression, it shouldn't be the time of too much inflation, it has to be favorable, then only an entrepreneur or business can have great profit. The third alphabet is S. S stand for social. According to the social system of a nation, an entrepreneur has to decide that which product and which kind of service he has to serve to the market, or he has to offer to the common public of the country. Because in India, if we see, so many people are religious, and the maximum number of population is also of particular religion. So according to the religious taste of the people, they are supposed to offer the goods and services. What kind of income group they belong, what kind of education they have, which kind of lifestyle they are having, so according to their taste they have to provide goods and services. The another alphabet is T, the technological environment. So according to the technology upgradation of a country, or according to the new discoveries rate, according to the new research happening in a nation, an entrepreneur has to decide that their innovation or invention can be adopted by the public easily or not. If the product and services is very much technical, it is very complex in the use, so there are less chances to have success. So this factor is very important before launching our goods and services into market. The next alphabet is E. E stand for ecological system. Ecology means it is related with the environmental factors. As we all know that worldwide we are having the problem, burning problem of pollution. So in the ecological factor, an entrepreneur or company has to ensure that it has the least damage or the least pollution to our precious environment. It should be eco-friendly, there should be proper recycling of the waste material, and there should be less emission of carbon and the pollutants in the environment. And then we talk about the last alphabet of pestle model, that is L. L stand for legal environment. Legal system, which means it is directly related with the law. In every country there is a different sort of legal setup. Laws related with taxation, employment, and other market situation are different. So according to the condition, according to the laws of the government, of the judiciary system of a country, one entrepreneur has to ensure that what kind of service or goods he will provide in the local market. So this is the most pestle model, according to which an entrepreneur has to ensure that it is providing best goods and services in order to get success. So well, that's it from my side for today. Have a nice day all of you, and keep subscribing and showing your love towards this channel. Thank you.